Hi, my name's Tashi and I'm the head of Flex for Australia and New Zealand. And we help both landlords and major occupiers design, build and operate their own flex spaces.
Hi, I'm Rosie Hudson. I'm one of the senior directors in the office leasing team at JLL. I partner with a lot of our institutional clients and secure occupiers in their assets across the CBD. Tashi, a lot of our clients are wanting to explore flexible solutions in their assets. How do we assist and partner with them and your team to approach this?
So not only understanding the surrounding market from a supply and demand perspective, but what trends are occurring. Where should the flex go within the building? How much space should it take? What's the influence on even the asset valuation? All of this stuff we can do and help. So we can even commercially forecast what that business looks like, how it should operate. I find that level of transparency is increasingly really important for an owner, because then it equips them to make the right decision.
And having your experience from the onset and the beginning of the campaign has been really valuable, because you've got the insights into those larger occupiers and seeing what they are doing in their business, the different drivers for their change, for this flexibility. It's been great.
It's almost like very serendipitous for me to be working with major occupiers. So understanding their employee needs, their flex needs, is extremely valuable and a huge differentiator when you're speaking with a landlord and trying to find an anchor tenant or someone of interest, to almost kind of merge those two understandings and insights to put forward the correct flex solution. And the way we help to really simplify it is, once we identify the asset or the portfolio, we pull together a test fit of what a flex space could look like within that asset, and we tailor it to your tenant community. We do commercial forecasting over the next 5-10 years. We package that all together into something that's bite-sized, and then if you want to go to the next level of detail and understand more, we're always here to do that as well.
This is an example of how we're able to leverage one of the many parts of our business at JLL. Having Tashi and his team to be able to partner with our clients and provide insights and information is how our leasing team at JLL provides value beyond leasing.